how to show all apps on the home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, 26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on home screen. After that, scroll down and tap on home screen layout. Then select home screen only and then tap on applied. Once you have done that, you effectively put everything on your home screen now, so there is no separate app screen and home screen. There will be only a home screen page that has all your apps installed on your device. Okay, so if you want to make your home screen cleaner, you can go back in here, and so we go down and tap on home screen and then tap on home screen layout, and we change it to home screen and app screen. And that's it. So that is how you can display all apps on your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.